to another video. Today we have Milwaukee deals, buy one get one free at Northern Tool Equipment. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Big shout out to my man Philly Fixed. He mentioned one of these deals out, and that's how I figured out all these deals that they got. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So on this one we got a free hacksaw. If you buy the Milwaukee M18 fuel lithium cordless power tool set, 1/2 inch hammer drill driver. This is 1/4 inch hex impact driver. So you got the Gen 3 and the hammer drill. You got two batteries here, a charger in a bag or a charger in a case for $3.99, and you get the free fuel hacksaw. So that's a good one. You get the one-handed reciprocating saw. On this one, you get the impact wrench. It doesn't. I know it doesn't give you. It doesn't show you the tools. Even if you click on it, it's not gonna show you the tools. See complete details. All right. See, it doesn't even tell you anything until you check out. So you do have to check out all the way to the end. Let me see if we can. Basically, once before you pay, you're gonna get that. Not even at this screen. You have to go to checkout, and once you're at checkout, just before you pay, you actually see the tool itself. But I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna go ahead and hold on. Let me put all these in the cart. Hold on. I'm gonna put all these in the cart, and I'll show you guys what's available. We'll look at those at the end. How's that? Alright, so let's go back. Alright, so we'll put this one on the cart too. This one's the chainsaw, and you get a free, let's see what you get, a free battery. But see, it doesn't even tell you what. Alright, add to the cart. I'll add it to the cart. So alright, so go back. Alright, on this one you get a free, well, these are pretty self-explanatory here. On this one you get a Milwaukee, this is the Milwaukee M18 fuel string trimmer kit with the quick lock complete system. This is, and you get a $30 gift card. This one's the pole saw with a quick lock complete system. You get a $90 gift card. This one's the brushless M12 fuel cordless brushless 3/8 ratchet tool only, model number 2557-20. You get a free battery. So there's a whole bunch of stuff. On this one you get a free battery too. This is the die grinder. This one's the ratchet. You get a free battery. This is the what is this? The free saw blades. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these in there because I'm gonna put the ratchet in there, so you guys will see what battery you guys are gonna get. Chances are it's the smaller battery. Let's go back. All right. So on this one you get some saw blades. He doesn't even let you know. Probably gonna end up getting these because this is a really good deal here. Alright, so we'll add those to the cart, and I'll let you guys know what free battery with this one's the same. Free $20 gift card with the edge trimmer. You got a free wet and dry vacuum here with this, which is a great deal. So we'll go ahead and add this one to the cart, as if we're gonna spend that much money. So we'll add that one to the cart so we can see. Says free $10 gift card, Milwaukee special offer. You get some safety glasses, I guess, with this. You get a gift card there, gift card there, gift card with all these. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals. Let's run over to the cart. Let me just go down and scroll down here and see if we see anything else. So you got a lot. So this is pretty good. This is the same as the top. Alright, so this is different. So $249 will get you a free angle grinder. Yeah, this is way different. So this does let you know what you're gonna get before you buy it. So that's a really good deal. $249 for a 12 amp hour battery, a rapid charger, and an angle grinder. That's a really good deal. And then this was really good too. So $99, you get a 6 and a 3. All right, free battery. So you get, there's a lot of stuff you guys can get. Free utility knife. Oh, that's just a backpack. Free bear hacksaw bear tool. Free battery. All right, let's go to the cart. Check out. Got a whole bunch of stuff here in the cart. We'll check out, like, if we're gonna pay. All right, so this is what it looks like. I do apologize. Some of the other tools didn't work, or some of the other. It just got so crowded in here with all these tools that it didn't show the free items. But some of these you guys can see. Like if you buy this red lithium battery pack and get the impact wrench, this is the impact wrench you guys gonna get for free. So this is a really good deal. So for $249, you're getting the 12 amp hour, the rapid charger, and you're getting 3/8 compact impact wrench with friction ring. Definitely recommend it. $199 value, and they do cost at Home Depot. They cost more than $199. So definitely check it out. This is a really good deal. And then this one too. This was the cordless power tool set, 1/2 inch hammer drill driver. You get the free hacksaw, $159 value. So yeah, guys, definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals here. Like I said, you do have to log in. You do have to create an account, and it's just easy. It's not, it's not hard to do all this. So you guys could see exactly what you're getting. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys